Previously, Annalise samples enemy rations.
Banging, isn't it? What?
The Fox addresses the nation. Reese issues the warning.
My son are crazy.
Things go south for our northerner,
He's not feeling very well.
and Luke wins the war.
Let's get a fucking kebab going. Let's get a fucking kebab. Fucking banging.
So it's the morning after. Oh god. So it's the morning after. I wanted to say I'm well. God knows. But before our spy museum booked for 10:45. I know you're gonna be unhappy about being waking up, but we've got spy museum. Yeah, not well. Yeah, not well. We've honest to. Oh my god. Sounds like Granddad. Granddad, if you're here, fucking help with the hangover, mate. Reese. Please put a top on, please. Help.
So, I can't imagine you guys will be riding bikes, right?
Yeah, we're gonna ride bikes.
Oh, right.
Are you sure?
We're seriously unwell.
I thought right as rain.
I can't see straight.
I've got the sweats.
Got the Spy Museum booked, and Dad is not awake.
So, we're all here in the morning. Got Dad here. We're us three, alright?
Yeah, I'm chilling now.
The Alec Palm is a little bit worse for where it looks alright now, to be fair. It's now Annalise is now on the brink of death. To be
right
fair
soon.
though, I think it was some dodgy goulash. I reckon it was that goulash was dodgy.
Or
in there.
COVID.
Or a little bit of COVID.
Yeah, to be
spot
fair,
COVID.
yeah, we probably all woke up with COVID. Highly likely.
Shit when you get COVID, isn't it? I've had
Yeah.
it 3 times.
Like 3 times a week.
But we're gonna go and get some bikes and go to Spa Museum.
I need.
You'll be alright.
Why did it keep
Go forward,
falling
go
over?
Go forward. Do the thing.
What, have you paid for it?
Yeah.
No.
That's the next step.
I'm worried about my well-being.
Stuff in there.
Shut up!
Wrong way? Oh. Quick, go. Oh, it's a bumpy ride.
You should make some nice shoes.
Thank you.
Yeah,
like fully not following the bike laws here, I don't think.
Huh?
I think there's bike laws, I think. I don't know.
I don't know. I feel like shit.
Do you feel better?
No.
Yeah.
I feel a bit sick now, actually. That's right though. I just need some water, I think.
Yeah, I'd love some water, to be honest. Let's go. I know, I love this. I need an electric bike.
We actually look.
I haven't seen
It
it.
actually goes
There's
hard.
nothing you can do. I can't. Luke's got my arm. Luke, stop the ride, please.
Got the ride.
I need a
Shiraz.
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 Shout out Shiraz. Red wine Shiraz. I need to go.
We're really late for this thing.
I know. So I'm gonna go Five Guys and get us some water. Can I have my phone, please?
Yeah. Can I have a water?
Yeah. Right, let's go. Shiraz. Red wine Shiraz. Okay. My legs feel a bit like jelly now, though. Is that normal, or am I just a week? Yeah. How long do we bike for? To put that on my
It was 20 minutes.
Really?
Yeah,
I'm so
but-
healthy. I can't even get over it. Lol. Berlin is
Yesterday
so
was one of
good.
the best days of holiday.
Yeah, honestly, Berlin is so good, isn't it? I didn't actually know it was like gonna be this much of a good holiday. Obviously, I knew it was gonna be good. Don't get me wrong, but like I've had
Show the vlog this.
best time.
Guess what I got last night?
Drunken. Yeah, we all got absolutely fucking.
Ugh.
Oh, I like that. We all got absolutely Bennett's rack, didn't we?
Yeah.
All of us. Even Reese got a little bit tipsy. And do you know what? I can honestly say there was no one in the bar, but it was one of the best nights that I've ever had. Just with me family, just with me padre. We are about... How late are we to the Spy Museum? About an hour?
Yeah, now.
Guys, we're just at the Spy Museum. We made it eventually. I was shattered. Literally called home at 3 AM. Back out at 9. 3, 4. It's like 5 hours sleep maybe. Yeah. Gone upstairs. Why is he scuba diving? Oh, Reese, Abby's holding someone else's hand. And foot. Just looks up his winky now. He's got a submarine coming out of his bum. Why is he doing that? I don't understand.
In the middle, to be fair, so.
Yeah, you're about 5'7", I'd say.
Do these have any height? Maybe a little bit.
Maybe 5'6" then. We're going into the interrogation room, but I'm a bit scared because I don't know what's going to happen to me in these rooms. But whatever. It's a polygraph. How tall is Dad?
You might even be 6'6",
4'3".
actually.
6'3".
Oh yeah. Where's Luke? Where's Luke?
Who?
Oh, there you are.
I'm trying to decide for a code, I'm too stupid.
What is going on? Why is everyone... Oh, shit. What do we do?
You gotta ask me questions, babe.
It's in... Oh, English.
What routine? Oh.
Oh, right. Is he my hobby?
Next. What is your first name?
Reese.
Is it? With.
Oh my god, what is this keyboard? Bottom left.
Where is it? Oh. Which town do you live in?
Luton. Luton Town. Cheats.
What is your year of birth?
1906, 2001, babe.
year of birth, not full birthday.
Alright.
Yeah. What year?
2001.
2001 here.
Right, can you stop putting on a voice, please? Because you're going to affect the
Yeah,
questions.
you're affecting that. Right. Place both of your hands onto the metal palms.
They're on.
One finger, listen to me. One finger must be covered over the sensor inside the left metal palm.
Yeah.
Sit up straight with both of your feet on the floor
They're
and
on.
close your eyes. Next. Taking this quite serious now. Polygraph.
Please better a good question.
Do you love Abby?
I love Happy.
You know, it's recorded.
It's doing it again. What is your first name again?
Reese.
What's going on?
What city do you live in?
Luton. Luton Town.
Are you sure? Because it's asked you a couple of times.
2001. Take a deep breath, man.
Next.
2001.
I've said this.
Read it out loud.
Place both hands onto the metal
It's
palm.
on. My eyes are closed and my legs are firmly on the floor.
Next.
Device calibrated. Don't move.
Stay there.
Don't move!
I'm not moving.
Don't move!
I'm not fucking moving.
Do not move!
Not moving.
You briefcase wanker.
Don't call me that.
You can start. Answer with the questions.
I love
yes
her.
or
Yes or no?
yes or no.
I love her.
Yes or no.
Yes.
Do you live in Luton?
Yes.
No, come on, actually do this. I want to see if this actually
Do
works.
you live in Luton?
Yes.
Do you live in Luton?
Yes.
Do you love Abby?
Yes.
Looks good. Is your name Reese?
Yes.
It's fucking not.
It is.
Is your name Reese?
It is.
Was you born in 1993?
No. 2001. I promise.
Was you born in 1993?
2001.
1993.
2001.
Have you ever had sexual fantasies about a colleague?
No. No, I have not.
Have you ever had sexual fantasies about a colleague?
No, I have not.
It's going a bit all over the place.
Have you ever stolen something?
Yes. Yes, I have.
Have you ever stolen something?
Yes. I bloody have.
Do you always wash your hands after going to the toilet?
What?
Do you always wash your hands after going to the toilet?
Sometimes not.
Is it no or yes?
Yes.
So is it yes?
Yes.
You always do?
Yes.
No, you don't.
Sometimes it changes.
So no then.
It's a yes. I'm just joking. It's a yes.
Have you ever lied about your age?
Probably yes. What have you got me in here for?
Sexual assault!
That was Steve.
Have you ever demolished something on purpose?
Demolish something. Like what?
Daisy!
Daisy.
Mum's car.
Oh yeah. Sorry about that, Mum.
I would like to be interrogated.
Be interrogated then.
No signal. You get down!
Sorry. Get down on your knees.
Oh god.
Right. Have you ever had sexual fantasies?
No.
with a colleague? No. Oh, it was a lie. What?
This stupid game, man.
He was lying about going to the toilet as well.
Oh,
do you feel happy?
so now I'm gonna have an argument about this
Oh my
stupid
days.
game. No, I have not.
Go on then. Go out. Go on. You
It's
are.
you give me a look of like I have.
You are. So, you know
I
you're.
could tell straight away.
You.
The way you answered it. Oh, look behind you.
Right.
Let's go.
You have a go.
Clarify, I've never, by the way. Stupid machine.
Abby's got to do it.
I've never.
Interrogation room immediately. Verlassen Sie sofort den Verhörraum.
Did it tell us to get out?
Yeah. Close get out.
Oh, I actually can't start it. Oh, wait, no, it's right. It's right.
Fuck you.
Leave the interrogation room immediately. Fuck off.
What is your first name?
Luke.
In which town do you live?
Dunstable.
That's what I'm going to go.
Just put Luke.
Yeah.
Black. Oh.
What is your address?
Leave the interrogation room immediately. Verlassen Sie sofort den Verhörraum.
Jen wants to get out. No, I won't. No, I fucking won't.
Please, system, stairs,
They're right there like, what the hell?
I think they can hear us.
Yeah, they can.
Yeah, they're probably doing English as well.
Oh, what was that?
Right, yes or no only.
Listen, quick.
Is today the 8th of March 2023?
Yes.
What's this bit? Why is that so hot? Is your name Luke?
Yes.
Lukey.
Have you ever complained about a friend behind their back?
Yes.
Didn't hesitate at
Have you ever been in a fight?
Yes.
Leave the interrogation room immediately.
Fuck off.
Verlassen Sie sofort den Verhörraum.
Do you ever think about someone else during sex?
No.
Come on, what, Luke? Take one for the team here, man. He's jumping.
Have you ever cheated in an exam?
I need to know the results.
And start the lie detector test immediately.
I will never know, Abby.
Oh no. Let's get out.
I'm never going to know the answer to that question. And I saw the polygraph. Oh my god.
Stick it in the old English.
Oh, it's recording me.
Oh, you got to
Stick
stick
it
it in
in.
English.
Term 105.
Oh my god, what's going on? Is that your lips? Oh, it's not your lips.
She said,
Dead drop. Oh.
yeah.
No.
It's not. Let's let
Oh,
Abby
yeah, let-
play.
Dead drop. Dead drop.
Someone just said Derby.
Is that right? Ah, you'll find out at the end, I reckon.
Oh god. Abby got 3 out of 5. So she's shit.
Dressing up a bit over there.
Oh.
Dressing up.
And a photo booth.
And a phone, but you've got a little sliding thing to get your picture on.
Slide.
Oh yes, Dad. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What's your fingers?
It's kind of suits you in a weird way.
It actually does. You don't like, what's her name? Violet. You're turning Violet. Or Savile.
Poor
What the hell?
Poor Savile.
One of the two.
Oh, peeps. I'm my emo phase at the moment.
We're getting the camera. Reese. Get in the camera.
Oh, it's glasses as well. These are your glasses. No. I'd actually suit you.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Yeah,
Had a
I'm nonchalant now.
We're like Oasis.
Baby, you don't really want to know.
I've got a beret on top of
Yes, boy.
You're making me crazy.
You actually do look like a frog. That's the crazy thing about that.
Yeah.
Have you got on the camera?
Do it. Come.
Abby, have you got anything in? No. Oh,
Since your mum.
Talking in Victorian accent. Hello, mate.
You're right, mate.
Say, hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
That's not Abby.
How do we get the photos? Sorry, how do we get the photos?
I don't know. In there, I think. I'm gonna be so bad at this. Oh, not like a princess. Oh, where's he stood like that? Change his He's good.
At the end of the day, people are going to be jealous of Mark Bunders.
Oh, okay. We'll do. We should have gone to Static first because they're so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Never mind.
Oh my god.
I'm so not doing. I'm so.
You have to
not
crawl a
doing
slot. You've got this. Wait, what? Is that in the wheelchair through? She can just walk straight through. Yeah.
It's hard, it looks like. I'll be terrible at crawling.
Not doing wheelchair. It's fine.
The man of the hour.
Oh my god. He's actually there. Oh, he's not done yet. Nearly. This one longer.
Exactly.
Oh, that's me.
Oh my god.
Game rigged! Go on, Lukey boy.
Go on, my mama. He ain't gonna do it.
He will do it.
He looks like a spy.
He is a spy.
I learned from my mate.
How the fuck are you meant to get through that?
Cruel. That was a good effort, though.
That was good, Luke.
That was a good effort.
That's kind of hard. Too fat. Yeah, that's my problem as well. Oh man. Right, fat Trace.
Yeah, the man of the hour.
Go on, Dad.
I'm better than me so far.
Yeah,
Oh, what's your
It's hard though, isn't it?
oh yeah. Abby, give me your best spy look. Spy look. It's just how you limelight, but whatever.
Cold.
Oh, there's people there.
Now we're talking.
Books.
No, this book.
Which book? Oh, you fucking sicko.
Cold.
Guess. What do we do? I'm not sure I understand what to do. This is a birthday party.
Is it? It's a shit birthday party, isn't it?
Oh, you opened it?
Oh, right.
Sorry
okay.
about that.
Yeah.
Okay, write a word in the blue field using the blue brush.
How'd you open it?
Yeah.
Right. So we've worked out how to open it. We're on it,
Yeah.
man. Do not use too much ink.
There's
Write a
no...
word in the right hand field using the blue brush.
Where's the ink?
Where's the blue brush?
Where's the ink? I don't know. Okay. Allow the ink to dry for 3 minutes. Take the red... Okay.
Okay. Now.
Can you read the messages hidden on the wall?
Take the red brush and wipe over the message for 3 minutes.
I don't fucking get it.
Take red brush. No. Yeah. Use the red filter whilst the ink dries. Yeah, done that.
Take the red brush and wipe over the message. Oh wow!
What's it doing?
It says it's revealing, Dad, what I put. What a shit game. Write a word in the right hand field using the yellow brush.
I put a word. Said write a word, didn't it? Right, write a word in the right hand field using the yellow. I think I know where that's probably going to go. Take the piece of paper home with you.
Why?
Why? Reveal the message by heating the paper carefully over a candle or a hot candle with paper.
Well, mine says cunt, so I'm not sure I want to take that home.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
That was really shit game.
I enjoyed it. I just didn't know what was going to happen. It's like, what's going to happen next?
I didn't get these.
What? Can you read the message hidden on the wall using the pen?
Can you see anything on the wall? Whereabouts on the wall? Is it tiles?
Yeah. Oh, hang on a minute.
I found it.
Oh, it's up there, isn't it? It's that.
Oh, right. What does it say?
Man steht nicht mit Gott sagen. Gut, das wirklich du ist wirklich oben nicht wahrbar.
Well, that's that song.
Sounds cool.
Yeah. We've nailed it.
I think we had a good time. Let's go.
Let's go. We've been waiting for this.
But I didn't know the spies opened the safe, so I thought it was robbers.
Good point, Jay. It's a good point, actually, yeah.
You done it?
What's in there?
I was here first, James. Why don't you just follow my dad?
That is actually really cool. Shit. I was going to say to you, piss off. There's like a running joke, Dad, that Luke knows a spy. No, you don't. It's like an invisibility cloak. Yeah?
Oh, thank you. Hang on, let me just put this in the bin. Why am I recording this? Sorry. So, made it out the Spy Museum. We now know how to catch a spy. Nah, we don't. We didn't really read any of it, to be fair, because we were all... Well, Reese is fine. Abby's fine. Dad's fine.
I'm fine, yeah.
Yeah, it's just me and... It's just me and Luke. I'm alright. I've been weller. Luke is struggling. He's got a headache. But now we're just going to Checkpoint Charlie.
So I have a theory. Kebabs do that. Seriously, because I worked out that whenever I had a really bad hangover, it was because of a kebab, because it dehydrates you. All the salt in the meat. And you wake up in the middle of, you know, like a fucking dehydrated alien from fucking Roswell.
Yeah,
that's
no,
what I was like.
you make a good point, to be fair.
Yeah, so I don't have a kebab to drink.
Fair play. That's what you did. It was all self-inflicted. All of it. Yeah, go Checkpoint Charlie, and then I don't know what we're doing. Is that a hot water balloon? What's that noise?
The was it one more something to look at?
Yeah, is that a hot water balloon?
Oh yeah.
A hot water balloon?
Hot water balloon. Oh fucking I've been even sick.
Oh. So guys, we're just at Checkpoint Charlie. Dad just told me the history of that. Crazy. This is Checkpoint Charlie. Oh, it's McDonald's. Okay, I'm talking about Checkpoint
McDonald's is what it was.
Yeah. Oh, it's a museum shop. Might get something from Checkpoint. I might actually get something from there, to be fair. I suppose it's... Yeah.
Cheers.
That
was just slightly inquisitive.
Yeah. Do you know what? This is only on 25%.
Just wait for
I
Abby
didn't
now,
bring
she'll
the
be like,
batteries. Yeah.
Slightly expensive.
Don't know, and I didn't even bring the other battery. I know. I was too hungover.
I'm just waiting for Abby to go. Yesterday's sausage was this long, and this one's only this long, but yet they charged me more.
Yeah.
So that's roughly about 25 pence, 25 euro
Yeah.
per inch.
You owe me €25.
Beautiful.
So, I don't know if I need to update you or not, but Abby about to rent a car through the app. It's pretty weird, but she's going to give it a go at the end of the day.
If I could literally just go around in the block, that would be...
Ideal, really.
Update, it did not work. I need to have a second identity document and I don't have it.
Yeah, I mean, it does work, but she's not got a document with her. But it would be pretty cool.
Yeah, quite like this key too. I actually really like that, to be fair.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, she went down the road, came back.
We've been very lucky because when we came to Berlin, it's been very, very hot. Well, not actually very hot, to be fair. Not like Mediterranean, but it's been about 10 degrees-ish. But we're just gonna go, no, about 18 degrees actually, sorry. I'm still a bit hungover. We are just going to get some bites. And then pedaling back, then everyone's gonna go for a nap. Because we're all shattered, obviously, because we was out on the Raz last night. Oh, it's a hop-on bus as well. It's a hop-on bus, Dad. We could have got on that.
No, but they've won the wheel.
Reese, Abby!
What?
Should we go on the sightseeing? can't wait to airport.
I've got COVID.
Oh, I'm so tired. God. Reese is
Oh, my life sucks, man.
at the back.
Frick's sake, man. Got bags over here as well.
To be fair, there's not that. Oh, actually, yeah, you're quite squished.
It's a builder shop.
If you want a high
Abby the
vis,
builder.
come to Abs.
Yeah. Yeah. God, I need a coffee. I'm so tired.
Oh, should do, definitely.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot of footage of Annalise yawning at the camera this morning. Good footage, man.
Actually, if you guys are gonna make that joke, it was only twice.
Might become a graffiti artist. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Just for a laugh. It's a lot of writing though. I can't really write.
We don't have time, guys. This is Berlin Airport. Absolutely lovely. So we went and got Burger King, and we basically was on last call of the flight, and I am not nonchalant. I was freaking out, and Dad decided to go for a wee.
And this is Annalise when she came out of the thing. Where's Dad? Go for a wig.
I was so scared we was going to miss the flight.
I've got a vision to run up the road, by the way.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
You got Abby and Luke behind you, like, walking a bit fast. You're like,
I was getting on that flight. I was going to leave everyone. As long as I was home, I didn't care, bruv. I was on that flight.
POV like 360, Annalise is Dad and Luke while we're still here.
Yeah. Well, I said, shut the doors. I don't care. I'm off. I ain't paying for another one. So, yeah, flight drama. They told me not to worry. I worried. It was right. But, yeah. Lol.
That is our standard procedure when landing in low visibility, so my thanks to you in advance for complying with that. If there's any changes or delays to our arrival, I'll update you. Otherwise, I'll take this opportunity to thank you for choosing to pleasure to have you on board. I want to wish you a very safe and pleasant journey. Thank you.
Nowadays on cruise control.
Guys, we've just landed at London Luton Airport. We needed to turn our phones off because the landing was foggy. But Abby decided that she wasn't going to turn her phone off until I realised. So we landed, thank God. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I thought we was taking a little break.
Well, what? Just, we're just going to stop off here and go for a wee. Wonder what the pilot does when they need a wee. Yeah. I was going to have a quick vape, is that right? And that's it, guys. We've touched down in Berlin. Holiday over. Life ruined.
Touchdown in Berlin.
Fuck, we've touched down in Luton. Miss Berlin. What would you rate the holiday?
It was a 10 out of 10.
Same. Good fun. We drank beer. We got pissed. We had good food. We saw good sights. Not just talking about Abby. And we had a great time.
So we landed in Luton. Heard some really good things about this place. So we're going to explore it. Our first stop, we're going to go to Marsh Farm.
The Marsh of Farms.
Heard it's lovely there. What do you think?
Oh yeah, Marsh Farm is like the farm place for marshes.
Yeah.
Marsh Farm is it?
So yeah, it's really, really nice. And that's why we chose Luton for a holiday. We thought, you know, we're done with Berlin, let's just go on holiday to Luton. So we're here now.
Luton. Well, we will vlog when we get outside.
I've got my passport yet.
Back through passport control again. We've gone through about 100 passport controls.
So this is the end of the vlog, I think, unless Dad puts an ending to it. Abby's there, Dad's there. The girl and boy dem's there. It's been a Berlin trip. We're out.
We loved it.
Bosh.
Unser Leben, wir versuchen die Sonne zu bringen, unser Leben zählt. Bring die Sonne, bring die Sonne. Im